Welcome to Digital Minimalism, where we explore how to simplify our tech lives and find peace in a digital world overflowing with information. In 2025, our lives are increasingly dominated by technology, leading many to experience digital overload. Let's take a closer look. Start by assessing your digital footprint. How much time do you spend online? What apps do you really use? Let's evaluate together. Digital minimalism is based on key principles such as intentionality, simplicity, and focus. Embracing these can transform your tech experience. Let's dive into practical strategies for decluttering your digital life. Start small by organizing your files and removing unused apps. Practice mindful consumption. Be intentional about the apps and content you engage with, allowing technology to enhance rather than control your life. Set clear digital boundaries to create focus and productivity. Establish hours when tech is off limits to cultivate a healthier relationship with it. Maintain balance by incorporating offline activities and hobbies. Remember, a fulfilling life includes moments away from screens. Let's hear from individuals who embraced digital minimalism and transformed their lives for the better. Their stories inspire us all. Ready to start your journey to a decluttered digital life? Begin today and embrace the transformative power of digital minimalism.